So, you have an HTC HD2, and when you try to turn it on, this is what happens. It looks like it's working, it turns off and restarts. I'm going to show you how to fix this. First thing you need to do, get your USB, connect your phone to your computer, turn on your computer. You have to have Windows Mobile, you need to have Windows Mobile Device Center downloaded. I'll put the link in the description. Open it. So it's going to show like it cannot find your phone. So you go back to your phone, you open it, plug it back in. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. Plug it back in. Once it's plugged in, you take out your battery. See these things? You have to make sure they're straight, so you put them back into place. It's not really important. You just gotta take out the battery, put it back in, and it should try to connect with Windows Mobile Device Center. Should work. And seems to be working, and it worked. Let me just let it load all the way. And bam, it works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment.